field gets the one to go signal from AJ. Thompson was very aggressive on that last green flag run. And he was able to try to hold off Chastain for the time being in that first run. Let's see if Chastain learned anything onto that last green flag run that he can use here in this next run. As Garrett Thompson will be the first to fire as they enter the restart zone, and Thompson slows them way down. And then they will hammer the gas pedal down to turn one. A very, very slow restart, but a clean restart as Thompson is going to hang on to the race lead, battle for second. Oh, the 88 of Wilson Martin is right in front of the rest of the field, and we've got a huge problem. Huge stack up coming out of turn number 4. The 07 of Adam Briggs, the 1 of Matthew LaPrade, the 88 of Wilson Martins Jr. sits there, and it looks like the 11 of Mike Kohut got a part of that as well, and a huge problem over there in turn number 3. So caution quickly coming back out, and the field is going to be slowed over there in turn number 3. And the 88 of Wilson Martins Jr. has been able to leave the accident scene as the rest of the field starts to kind of roll away a little bit. We're checking the racetrack for fluid and debris. What the hell?